go to Cape Town. Molweni. It is your girl, Zintle Kwaaiman. Ntombi ejonga kodwa kundilikeza le ngoma. Enjoy. Her mama. Yes, period. Oh, good, Linda. When's when? Don't make 12 hours. Hey, clean a quick cup over. Again. Yo, I keep on. Hi, son. The whistle route. Room tour. Okay. And then I have a little welcome note up. Dear Zintle, welcome to Cape Town. And then I have this beautiful thingy. Then I even have, they even gave me wine. And then okay, so it's the shower. And then there are doors up here. And then it's the room, coffee station, J. Dilapa. Then there is your madam. So guys, I want to share something with you guys now. Defuna all the people that think that God is not hearing them. I think it's the test of faith. I think I wanna say, just because you're not in my position, you don't have what I have, doesn't mean that you are less of a human or you are less of umdanakatit. Let me cook. I pray, believe, and receive. When you pray and don't believe in what you're praying for, when you pray and you feel like, I know it's not going to happen now, God will let you sit there like in the waiting line, waiting for you to believe what you're praying for. If you're praying for a car, yithandazele and be specific, be intentional with what you want and what you're praying for. I need you guys to also remove yourselves from circles of itlebendwano, circles of umona, and clap for others when it's their turn. It's not your turn, and if you came if you came when it's your turn, clap for yourself too, you understand? And don't expect others to clap for you if do you get me? I want you guys, so you know. And if you are the person that you you don't even have the support from family or friends, family and friends if family guys you know, if family uyakwazi ba le yakho unayo is not supportive, uyakwazi ba when sisters and brothers but abakho kule nto kuyo, because when low, you know, if you have that relationship in the family like your sisters, your friends, kangela a new circle, a new warm circle. Uyakwazi ukuthi uhlala nabantu kanti abantu bayakumonela and they're pretending to be okay with you just because to benefit ilondo bayifuna benefit akuwe eyaziwa ngabo. Do you get me? But londo ayithi when I change your heart ibangu lo muntu uThixo akwenze ube nguye. Bawunenhliziyo enhle, stay like that. But if you have to cut ties and remove yourselves from abantu bakuhetayo, please do that, because you're gonna get hurt forever. And if you must learn to say no, and you must learn to say enough is enough. Do you get me? If you are that person, I got ashamed of Zintle. I am like one does wrong I'm doing, and only love that person or like that person only when it benefits you. Okay, come again imposed. You have it is your dagger. So remove yourselves. And now was like talk to yourself about it, change it, because you are blocking your blessings. Blessings are waiting for you. They are yours. They are but you are saying to God, I am not ready yet. And like people must not cry because of you. People must not be hurt because of you. You must not apologize. Just apologize. You must be that person and come okay, when you are wrong, take accountability and apologize and move on. And don't repeat the same thing. But when you repeat the same thing, you still remain that bad person, horrible person. Take care of your loved ones, because guys, but yeah, guys, you are God's child, and you know. So I need us to take care of ourselves, our minds, our souls, our spiritual lives, and trust God, believe in God, have faith in God. To believe that He's there. I've been praying for years. I've been doing this. Be faithful to God. Trust Him, and don't question God. Don't don't say why him na. Thank you because to carry this pain. Thank you because to lose this parent. You are trusting me with you are trusting me with okay. And please enjoy, guys. Yeah, I love you guys so much. And one last thing, do not forget to cut ties with where you don't belong, where you feel like you are loved less and your love is transactional, or you feel like you are used. Cut ties, even if it's family, guys. Cut ties. If family, you make or gather people along the way. If family doesn't mean it's blood. It might be blood, but family is warmth, it's love, it's the truth, it's raw. And if you don't have that with your own family, cut off. If you are being hurt by family members, cut off. Don't be afraid to cut off and be on your own.
What time do you need to be in District 6?
I think is it 6:30? I'm gonna check now. We got go man 6, and now the time is 2:07. So yeah.
Crop up which is a now video. You can put video. But I can speak to your minds and make it happen. That's some Harry Potter thing, boy.
la tetelele, asiyeke sigalele, yababona labantwana, benzama wala wala, wala wala wala, wadilele, wala 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 wala, wadilele, yo. Dialect. I miss my people. Kim subscribe, running jigalama, Satrabol, Nam, running jigalama, Sabatrabol, Nam, Aba, Utro.
Oh my gosh, I love the hair. Thank you. Where did you do this?
We've got the rate for the guys now.
My bad.
Just driving Mercedes. Don't call it driving crazy. Can't have my baby. No hesitate. No hands. If they can't get dirty, then try my baby.
Am I giving? Tama, wash, lumbo.
Do you mind? I'm going to okay. Kiala. Just a few more.
Okay guys, ningandibonile emahlomke yawo adibane ne-makeup ne, so ayakhala uba bomvu anengxaki kwawona, but I'm here to talk about the power of manifestation, ne? Or manifesting. Noma yonke laa nto isilungu. the power of manifesting and prayer. Remember, I asked you guys to mention me on a post. I asked you guys to mention the brand, and you guys did. And guess what? Today we're shooting the brand with the brand. Emailed me, paid, booked with flights, everything, accommodation, food. Like, I'm grateful. So it goes back to that thing made Kasba, you must pray, believe, and receive. Like, it's for everyone, guys. But if you don't trust yourself to that extent, it's a bit hard. So I don't want to get emotional because there are people around, and yeah, I'm just happy. I want to say thank you to each and every person that mentioned Uradbed, mentioned Uspotson. This is the start of a forever thing. It's my first big paying campaign, and I wish other brands would see my work and effort. And from now on, it's all the way to the top, baby.
Are you able to elevate? No. Legs wider. Should just probably try it less like.
It's kinda queen.
I was kind of queen.
Ay, unswembo san.
Queen. Just do something like you just do the usual. Just some,
You're trapped either way.
I just don't have block here.
Now we are eating. I ordered something. Ooh.
Nah, I'll just bring my own. You see exactly. You know exactly what I want. You know. We're not that bad, damn. How you gonna do? There's no way. That's sick.
This guy trying to like reverse out. Don't land. Just don't land. Come on, don't.
Hey guys, so we did namhlanje 3rd December. Yabona la esa skin. Yabona esa skin le isanophuma ke. Yabona esa skin sikla video. Go back to the vlog and see skin sami sinjani up. Go July, but now ngubani? Good December. Guys, try my skin products. Sithengeni skin products zam. Like, my skin is junk. Ilanda uye ina maqhakuva le. Up. Yole. Go July. Look at this now. So where lesa no puma.